Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 65 how to add your current location on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you sign into the account, go to your profile, and then go to a photo you have recently posted. Go to the right top corner of the photo where we see the three dots. Click on this, go to edit, a space, and where we see add location on top, click on this. Turn on location services, open settings, tap location, and select while using the app. Go to settings, go to privacy, go to location services, yes. Go back one, go back to Instagram, add location, allow. And then all the locations will come up on screen. However, you can also search for a location. Done. Go back to your profile. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.